Are you using educational-based marketing as an effort to sell your product and service? Well, I've got a little gem that's found here in Mastering Workshops That Sell. Let me give you a quick little one found within the pages of the book. Don't be basic, meaning most speakers, presenters, trainers, they nervously save Q&N for the end. Oh man, this is a great opportunity for you to break that horrible pattern and start with Q&A. Show that you care enough, you're witty enough to weave their biggest questions and concerns into your material as you're presenting them, so you can open loop an opportunity at 10-minute mark or at slide 15. I'll address that, Susan, and they have a moment of positive anticipation for when you do so, and when they do it, they're gonna be like, oh, he answered my problem or she solved my issue. And then great, you've got a great opportunity to where at the end, you've already addressed all their biggest concerns. Now you get to address the ones that are keeping them from buying your product and service. Don't end with Q&A, start Q&A. I hope this serves you. I'll see you on the inside.